Hello everyone, today I will discuss a beautiful plant which is called basil. And basil is a kind of shrub which can be seen in the moist place. People like growing basil plant, their premises as well as garden. So this is a unique plant which has been given by the nature. Scientific classification of this plant kingdom plant, clade Trichophytus, order Lamelles, family Lamiaceae, genus Ocimum, species Basilicum. Many species of basil plant could be seen tropical and subtropical region from Central Asia to Southeast Asia. Basil is native to India and other tropical regions, stretching from Africa to Southeast Asia, but has now become globalized due to human civilization. This plant growing from 30 to 150 centimeter tall, and its leaves are rich green and ovate and green in color. Leaf size range from 3 to 11 centimeter long and between 1 to 6 centimeter wide. Its flowers are small and white and grow from central inflorescences that emerge from central stem atop the plant. This plant started producing flowering in month of October, and its flower fragrance is very gorgeous. Basil plant is being used as a folk medicine. According to Ayurveda, this plant heal lot of disease such as cough, cold. Leaves of basil plant are seen in a pair, and flowers of this plant is seen in a cluster. Holy basil, also called tulsi, which is highly revered in Hinduism. Basil has religious significance in Greek Orthodox Church, where it is used to sprinkle holy water. In Hinduism, basil is placed in the hand of the dead to ensure a safe journey. In India, basil is placed in the mouth of the dying to ensure they reach God. The ancient Egyptian and ancient Greeks believed basil would open the gates of heaven for a person passing on. So this was a basil plant which has a lot of cultural significance, so that we talk about. So thanks a lot watching this video. I will be back soon with more videos. Till then, you take care and goodbye.